Ready to conquer your first summit? Let's get you prepared for an Himalayas adventure. First up is training. Start with a solid fitness routine. Focus on cardio exercises like running or cycling to build endurance. Incorporate strength training to strengthen your legs and core. Don't forget to hike on different terrains, gradually increasing your elevation and distance. Aim for at least one long hike each week to prepare your body for the climb. Next, let's talk gear. Invest in a good pair of hiking boots. They should be comfortable and well-fitted. Layer your clothing. Moisture-wicking base layers, insulating mid-layers, and waterproof outer layers are essential. Don't forget your backpack, hydration system, and other essentials like a map, first aid kit, and headlamp. Always check the weather before you pack. Mental preparation is just as important. Visualize your climb and set realistic goals. Remember, it's okay to take breaks and enjoy the journey. Practice mindfulness techniques to stay calm and focused. Surround yourself with supportive friends or a group, as camaraderie can boost your motivation. With the right training, gear, and mindset, you're ready to tackle your first summit. Don't forget to subscribe for more climbing tips and adventures. Get out there and make memories.